Hello, my name is Alyssa, and I'm going to be talking to you today about Encyclopedia Britannica on our library website. If you start at our library website, which is lcplin.org, it'll take you to our homepage. We're going to go to Research, and it's going to give us a drop-down box, and we're going to click on Online Research Tools. You will see all of our databases have been organized by a topic, or you can always look at them in alphabetical order if you click on See All Databases. But for right now, we're going to click on Student Resources. If we scroll down, you will see Newspapers, Articles, and Encyclopedias. We're going to click on Encyclopedia Britannica. This will immediately redirect you to a page for asking for your library card number and 4-digit PIN. If you do not know your library card number and 4-digit PIN, you can always check out Help and click on Ask a Librarian and send in a query, and someone will get back to you as soon as they can. If you do know your library card number and 4-digit PIN, you'll be redirected to a page that looks like this. You can click on whichever level you would like to read. So there's children, young adult, and then reference center, which is for adult. We're going to click on children today. It's going to take us to a page that looks like this. You can explore by looking at different multiple choice questions at the top and seeing if there's something that catches your interest. Or you can look down here, click Show More, and we'll show all the options. We have articles on all of the entries for the Britannica Encyclopedia. There's Media, which is videos and pictures. World Atlas, Biographies, which is information about specific people. Animal Kingdom, Tour the U.S., Geography Explorer, and Compare Countries. If you click on Articles, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Let's click on Places. Sometimes it'll give you a loading page like this. Internet's been pretty slow lately, so if we refresh the page, it'll show you some topics on the side here in alphabetical order, and then it just starts at the beginning of the encyclopedia under this topic. So we have acid rain, atlases, atoll. You can click on anything that you're interested in. When you get to where it won't scroll down anymore, you click on the click to scroll down, and it starts giving you more in alphabetical order, and you can keep on going like that. If we go back to the home page, say we are interested in looking at animals, we click on Animal Kingdom. You can look at all different types of animals. Let's go for birds today. And you can also explore by animal group, or you can explore by animal habitat. It's pretty cool. So if you click on birds, it'll show you again topics on the left side and then start the articles. Let's look at bald eagle. You'll see a page that looks like this. It's going to give you pictures over here on the left, and you can scroll over and see if there's any videos. Right now it's just showing pictures for this one, but if there was any videos, they'd be down here too. You can check out whether or not you want to see it in reading level 1 or reading level 2. And when you are done reading, the little article here, which you can either listen to it or read it to yourself, you can click on the next heading, and it'll open up the next bit. If this seems too easy of a read, you can always check out reading level 2 and click on it. And it will take you to a page that looks like this. It has the articles all laid out, and you can see it's added a video now. There's a little tab up here with all the images and videos, so you can see them all together. And over here, it shows related content for other birds and topics. You can also send your articles, favorite them, print them, cite them, translate, listen, and you can even change the font size. This is a really cool website to take a look at, and for anybody who's ever been interested in looking at nonfiction books in the library, especially about animals of the world, this is a really cool place to start. I hope you have enjoyed this informational tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye.